Have you ever wondered how to create an interactive data dashboard? In our data-driven world, the importance of data dashboards cannot be overstated. They serve as a lighthouse in the sea of data, making sense of vast information landscapes. They allow us to visualize large amounts of data in an understandable and interpretable manner. Like a map, they guide us to insights that may otherwise be lost in the data wilderness. Now, you too can create an interactive data dashboard. Let's show you how. The first step in creating a data dashboard is choosing the right tools. Now, there are a variety of tools available for this, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Let's talk about a few. First up, we have Excel. This tool is pretty universal and most people are familiar with it. It's great for basic dashboards, but it might fall short when dealing with larger, more complex data sets. Then we have Google Data Studio. It's user-friendly and integrates well with other Google products. However, it lacks some of the advanced analysis features that other tools offer. Lastly, there's Power BI. This tool is powerful, offering a range of advanced features. It does have a steeper learning curve though, so it's better suited to those with some experience. Remember, the tool you choose should align with your needs and skill level. There's no one-size-fits-all here. Once you've chosen your tool, you're ready to start building your dashboard. With the right tools in hand, the next step is collecting and cleaning your data. Imagine data collection as a treasure hunt, where the treasure is meaningful insights. Your quest begins with sourcing data from various platforms, such as social media, customer databases, or even public data sets. The more diverse your sources, the richer your treasure trove. But not all that glitters is gold. Data is often messy and inconsistent. It might contain duplicates, errors, or irrelevant information. Here's where data cleaning swoops in to save the day. This process is like a meticulous jeweler, refining raw gold into a polished gem. It involves steps like removing duplicates, correcting errors, and standardizing data formats. Some popular techniques for data cleaning include filtering, sorting, and using conditional formatting. These techniques help ensure that your data is accurate and reliable, providing a solid foundation for your analysis. With your clean data, you're now ready to start designing your dashboard. Now comes the fun part, designing your dashboard. It's crucial to remember the three principles of effective dashboard design: simplicity, clarity, and relevance. Simplicity is key. You don't want to clutter your dashboard with unnecessary information. Prioritize the most important data and keep your design clean and easy to read. Clarity is another crucial element. Your visualization should be straightforward and easy to understand. Avoid complex charts that could confuse your audience. Instead, opt for clear and concise visual representations of your data. Relevance is the last but not least important principle. Ensure that the data you present is relevant to your audience's needs. Use visualizations that reflect the data accurately and meaningfully. Choosing the right visualizations is an art in itself. Pie charts, bar graphs, line graphs, scatter plots, each has its own strengths and applications. Arrange them in a way that maximizes their impact. And voila, you've created your first interactive data dashboard. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed together through the crucial steps in building an interactive data dashboard. We started by selecting the most suitable tools that meet our needs. Then we delved into the art of gathering and tidying up our data to ensure it's ready for analysis. Finally, we explored the creative process of designing an engaging and effective dashboard. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a master of data dashboards. Happy dashboarding!